Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and today we are at Lamborghini London. I've got my sidekick Xavier with me.
How you doing, guys? How you doing?
And it is new car collection day. My brand new Lamborghini Urus is in there undercover. I ordered it a little while ago. I'm excited to collect it. I'm going to go inside and you're going to see the reveal. I hope you enjoy this video.
There you go.
Under this sheet, me and Zav are going to pull it off and we get to see my car at the same time you guys are. You ready? Zav? You ready? Leg off. And there she is. Lamborghini Urus. 23-inch wheels, yellow calipers, yellow stitching, big spec. Obviously, I'm going to do my thing to this, you guys know at home. It's going to be tinted, it's going to be wrapped, it's going to have a Nero body kit eventually as well. This is the first car to come out of Lamborghini London. HR Owen, Stephen Rue, they always deliver for me. This is the biggest dealer in the world. So, and I got #1 out of this dealer. So Steve has just given me a present, which is because I've got the first one coming out of London. He's going to give a few of these out.
Very few.
Very few. So I've actually got a personal letter to me signed by the boss, the big honcho. Look at that man. I'm not even going to say his name. He's that levels. He's that levels, and you don't even need to mention his name.
No, absolutely.
But it's personal to me. Signed it. Just talking about emotional experience about driving a Lamborghini and obviously the Urus, which is real cool.
It is.
They do say, like, unless London reveals a car, that's when you come to the rodeo.
Thanks.
Yeah?
Yeah, absolutely right. Let's get in.
So I'm here picking up my car. So Aleem gives me a call and he's like, Yianni, you still there? I'm like, yeah. He goes, let me come down. And obviously Aleem's got one as well in black. Yeah, look, there he is. There's the man himself. Look.
Oh man, how are you?
Congratulations on your car.
Congratulations. I can't wait for you to pull that out.
Where's the hair, man?
God.
So obviously you guys recognise him, Lord Aleem on Instagram. He's got the black Urus Aleem number plate. How are you finding it? Because you've driven it before me. Tell them. But you do YouTube. He does YouTube and he's talking over here like this.
Part-time.
Hear his voice.
Yeah, no, the air conditioning is really messing up my my throat right now. But driving-wise, I feel like the closest thing that I've driven that's similar to this is, believe it or not, a Yamaha Raptor. The way it picks up pace and acceleration is, I know it's weird, but that's how the Raptor makes
I've just spent 200 grand on a Yamaha Raptor.
No, but it's the power to weight ratio, like the torque, should I say. I don't know, it's like the way it picks up speed, the way it builds up power, the way it just handles, everything about it is just...
Yeah?
Oh man, honestly, it's...
Well, I'm looking forward to getting it out now.
You're gonna love it.
I'm gonna go have a look at his car though, yeah? Lord Aleem, check him out.
Man, that is... Woo. Blessed.
Very happy. Obviously Zav's with me, always celebrates things with me. 20-year friend, probably over that. Now we always say 20, we're probably 22 now, 23. We're filming this for Yianni Supercar Customiser for the TV show, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here. You guys just need to watch it on Dave when it comes out towards the end of the year. But me and Zav are going to go out for a drive in this. So we're going to go for a drive and I'm taking it back to Yiannimize HQ for the staff to see. And Nico Mark to work out how they're going to wrap this bad boy. Later. there she is, my brand new Lamborghini Urus, straight out of Lamborghini London, HR Owen. I've got to drive it, and it's special. It's fast, it's comfortable, the dashboard, everything's new now. It used to be very, very Audi, but the new dashboard, the new key, is totally, utterly changed. I'm not sure what I prefer. I think maybe I prefer this at the moment because it's so new and so fresh. When I was speaking to Xavier, he was like, when we go on a rally, what should we take? Should we take this? Should we take the Aventador? This for comfort, but I think the Aventador still pushes it for me, but I love this car. I love the fact that I've got a 2 Lambo garage now. The car is going to be going to Nero today to be fully scanned for the body kit. It will then come back here to be tinted, smoke the light, smoke the number plate, and then obviously the brand new wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a great day collecting it with my friend Xav. Plenty more content to come. Take care and I'll see you soon.